Get access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here for $19. Just click this link right here. Now let's get on with the video. Today, we will be testing a moving average strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing thousands of indicators and strategies, and I'm testing more every single day here on the channel. I've taken the information from my testing and compiled that into spreadsheets. And if you are interested in getting access to the original 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together, you can get access absolutely free. Just click the link down below in the description that says 1,100 plus free indicator list here. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a moving average strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 652 different strategies, with 180 of them being winners. And so far, since we've been using the Nexus backtest indicator, we've tested the most recent 64 strategies. And out of those 64 strategies, we've made every single one either more profitable than the original strategy or profitable when the original strategy wasn't. And out of those 64 strategies, we have a combined weekly profit of $68,020. The best one so far had a weekly profit from one single strategy of $7,300. All right, as I said, today we will be testing a moving average strategy. And so the source video says, stop using basic MAs, try this advanced MA channel instead. Now, not a lot of fluff there, I'll have to admit. They're just recommending that we stop using traditional moving averages and we try this moving average channel, which is a fair and accurate statement and title to the source video. And so I can't ding them a whole lot there. Now, whether or not it actually works or not, and we should stop using basic moving averages, of course, we will determine once we test this indicator. And so the indicator that we have on screen is called the Advanced Moving Average Channel. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings and make a few modifications here. So just double check that the MA length is 45. It's set to an SMA. We have a close as the source. The RSI length is on 21. Then we have high, low, 45, 45, 0, and 0. Scroll down just a little bit. Uncheck these 3 selections right here, and then you can double check that these are set to 25, 10, 100. Jump into the styles. We're going to uncheck all these selections here except for the bar color and the upper band, lower band, and basis there. And then of course we can leave these precisions checked down here at the bottom. Then go ahead and click OK. And so now you should be left with this moving average channel like this here, very similar to what the source video explained. And the setup on this, according to the source video, what we're looking for a long trade setup is we are looking for when price breaks above this moving average channel. Once price breaks above and close above, then we are going to go long. Now, what I did was just went ahead and coded this into a version that works well with Nexus. And so you can see now that we just have this green arrow right here for a long trade entry. And so what we would do is we would set our trade right here. We would put our stop just right below this little pivot right here. And we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that it takes just a little bit, but we eventually make our way up here, getting us to our take profit. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on this strategy here. So we'll just exit out of the bar replay, turn on the Nexus backtest indicator, find our price here, give Nexus just a minute to load the results. All right, so we have right at a 42% win rate, 291 trades altogether. We'll look back at about 20,000 bars, and it was about 3 months worth of trading, which is standard on the 5-minute time frame. That puts our total profit and loss at negative $986. Profit per week would have been negative $72. So you can see that ditching the basic moving averages didn't seem to do a whole lot switching over to this channel. Now, of course, like we do, we played around with the settings in Nexus, made a few tweaks, and we came up with this version here. So now we are right at a 45% win rate, 483 trades altogether. Again, 20,000 bars and about the 3 months, just like before. It puts our total profit and loss at a gain of $7,175. Profit per week is a gain of $523. So definitely better results. Now, if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. Just join my Discord down below and go to the Nexus channel, and I'll guide you on how to get the access. And now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheet of the 1,100 plus tested indicators that took me over 3 years of testing to put together that spreadsheet, you can do so by joining the free Patreon down below in the description. But if you are interested in getting access to dozens of profitable strategies just like this one here, then you can join the $19 Patreon, which has tons of value in it. Not only do you get access to the Nexus backtest indicator, but you get access to all the indicators that I've used to create these profitable strategies. And then, of course, you get access to the strategy testing spreadsheet, which I've been tracking the testing for years now, tracking exactly which strategies are profitable and which ones aren't, as well as their win rates and links to those videos. But now with the strategies that I've used the Nexus backtest indicator on, I've also provided a layout link in that same spreadsheet, which means that once you get access to the Nexus indicator and you get access to all the indicators that I have created, when you become a patron of the channel, you can just click that one link and it'll bring up this exact layout as you see it on screen right now with the profitable settings already dialed in for you. And then from there, you can do with that what you wish. You can start forward testing it, you can start live trading it, you can play with some of the settings, or you can create your own strategies. And if all that wasn't enough value for you, I will also guide you on how exactly you can get these same results from strategies using the Nexus backtest indicator and the techniques that I've learned and created. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing on that one there. Just a few things. What I didn't mention a moment ago is that if you are interested in getting access to the Nexus backtest indicator, you can still do so for free. Just join our Discord down below. Go to the Nexus backtest channel and follow the instructions in that channel to get access. You won't be granted access through any other means unless you follow those steps. Another thing that I didn't mention is that as well as tracking all the other information as far as these strategies go in the spreadsheet, I also track exactly what the settings are that I modify within Nexus to get to these more profitable versions. So you can quite easily just take those settings and replicate what I've done here, especially if you have access to the indicators that I've created. And lastly, we are moving on to the automation stage of Nexus. And so we've basically ironed out all the kinks within the standard back testing of Nexus, and now we are dialing in the automation side. So we're looking for anybody who has a strategy that they want us to automate for free. It has to have some clear entry and exit rules. It can't be, super discretionary. Even if it's discretionary, we can take a look at it and see if it's something we can define and create the strategy. And of course, we'll create it for you for free, have alerts, and we even have it tied into the most profitable alert systems. So you can alert to a broker from TradingView type setup. And we'll provide you with the full setup once it's done, including access to Nexus for you to run it, the automation absolutely free. And we'll give you any tips, tricks, pointers, feedback on the strategy to see if we can't improve it for you. So if you're interested, again, join the Discord down below. Go to the general channel and let me know that you have a strategy you want us to automate, and I will either DM you if that's what you wish, or we can discuss it in some matter to make sure that it's something that we can do. All right, like I said, that's it for this indicator here. We are going to go ahead and put this one on the no list because the original version was not profitable, and of course we will note the more profitable version that we created in the spreadsheet, and we'll move on to the next video from here.